Hey everyone, I'm the Off-Grid Vegan Chef, and in today's episode I'm going to show you how to make this absolutely mouth-watering vegan version of a bacon, egg, and cheese McMuffin because I had a really bad craving for one of these because I'm a fat f***. But don't you dare judge me because you clicked on this video, so you're right there with me. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, first I'm going to make my fake bacon by slicing up some white mushrooms, and I know this might seem weird to some of you, but trust me, by the time I'm done with these puppies, they are going to smell and taste so much like real bacon, it will blow your f***ing mind, I swear. Now I'm going to saute them in a cast iron skillet with a little bit of vegetable oil for a really long time. Because mushrooms are actually one of the only foods that you can't technically overcook as long as you don't burn them. I learned that from America's Test Kitchen because, you know, it's not like I'm a real chef. I actually went to culinary school. I mean, come on, I'm a jag-off YouTuber. Anyways, after about 20 or 30 minutes, they're going to look something like this, at which point I'm going to add some salt and a little bit of liquid smoke. And oh yeah, that smells so much like bacon, it's crazy. Okay, now I'm just going to give these one last good stir, and then they can be removed from the heat, and we'll move on to the next step. Now I'm going to make my fake egg by cutting off a big thick slice of firm tofu just like so, and then I'm going to use a saucer that's about the same size as my muffin to cut the tofu into a circle. It's okay if it's not perfect because it's not going to be perfect, so it's just gonna have to be okay. And I'll just set the excess aside for a stir fry or scramble or some other dish later. Now I'm seasoning the disc with some cracked pepper and some kala namak, aka Indian black salt. Even though it's not black, it's actually this pale pink powdery stuff that tastes and smells exactly like a hard-boiled egg. Again, it's crazy, I swear this really tastes just like an egg. I'll put a link in the description for where you can get this stuff because you probably won't be able to find it anywhere but online. Now I'm just going to fry up the tofu like a big old fried egg. And let's see if I still got it here. Alley-oop. Yep, still got it. And yeah, that looks beautiful. Now I'm going to toast my English muffin. And once it's nice and brown, flip it over and add some chow cheese to each slice. Then I'm going to cover it with my trusty pizza peel because all my lids are dirty, and just leave that on there for a couple minutes until the cheese is all soft and melty like so. And now we're ready to plate up, bro. I think it's pretty obvious what I'm doing here, so I'm not going to explain it. I mean, we only have like 3 ingredients left at this point, so yeah, just speed it up. You get the idea. And there she is in all her finished glory. Now look, I know it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but hot damn, this sandwich is mother good. I swear, please try it. I swear you'll like it, and if you don't, well, I don't know, tough. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And, you know, if you've made it this far, that means I haven't annoyed you away yet, so why not watch another one?